was definitely one of those challenges as well. It's definitely a good challenge. I just so used to getting up and going to school and just doing that daily routine and such. What helps me when it comes to school work is that a lot of times I feel like I need to fidget on something, whether it be like a toothpick I get to chew on, not during the class, but when I really need the time to do that. So, I just use that little fidget bean toothpick. That was like my major little thing. Next to that, it's also those little bean bags that you play around with your hands. That kind of helps me get focused quite a bit. I learned how to listen to the teacher as well, or teachers during those things. Know what to do. Oftentimes, well, actually most of the time, I would actually have parapros to help me when it comes to schoolwork as well. Just help me get some reminders when I need them. The thing about them is that if I need some help, I would just let them know. Just let them know I need some help. They don't really quite assume that I need help whenever goes on. If I'm just stuck on something, hey, they're just right there with me. Also, what kind of helps me with schoolwork is whenever I'm out of the school, I just stick to one of my favorite things, and that is to listen to music. I really love listening to all kinds of the songs, whether it be on the CD or online, on the computer, that kind of thing. No, it's just this right here is just a way to help me when it comes to staying focused on school. Music is fuel. That's the way I kind of see it. It's like work is being done consistently and a little bit quicker once I had music and such. That was my kind of a little take on that. However, you can't really quite bring your headphones when you're at school. So what I did is I kind of came up with a little bit of a strategy and such. I listened to one song, the exact same song, I'd probably say over 20 times or 50 times as well, hearing that same song over and over and over again. Why did I do that? Well, the reason why is because I want that particular song to be so stuck in my head during the entire day that I'd be able to listen to that same song while I work. So while I'm working, I can still listen to that song even if I don't have the headphones on. So yeah, music was definitely a way to help me with schoolwork, and also stay focused, and parapros was definitely the teachers that just help me with whatever goes on, and I can't thank them enough. I'm always thankful to have them during school. I'm thankful even today for having them during those times. And yeah, school was just a very enjoyable experience because of those strategies.